Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cartech Explorers, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we've got a real treat for you, the all-new 2024 Mercedes-AMG E53. Is this sleek and powerful machine a worthy upgrade from its predecessors? Let's find out. First up, let's take a look at the exterior. As we walk around this beauty, you can see the sharp, aggressive lines that define the E53. The front grille, with its signature AMG design, immediately catches your eye, complemented by those striking LED headlights. The overall aesthetic is both sporty and elegant, with aerodynamic curves that hint at its performance capabilities. I particularly love the new wheel design and the subtle yet impactful changes to the rear, including the quad exhaust tips that give it a mean stance. Moving inside, the 2024 E53 does not disappoint. The cabin is a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The materials used are top-notch, with leather seats that are both comfortable and supportive. The ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch, creating a cozy yet high-tech atmosphere. The infotainment system is a standout feature, with a large digital display that's incredibly responsive and intuitive. Mercedes' latest MBUX system offers seamless connectivity, voice controls, and even augmented reality navigation. The driver assistance features are also top-tier, making every drive not just enjoyable but also safe. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The E53 is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing a hefty 429 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, thanks to its EQ boost system that adds an extra 21 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque when needed. The all-wheel drive system ensures that power is efficiently distributed, providing excellent traction and stability. On top of that, you get decent fuel efficiency for a performance car, with an estimated 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. So, what's the verdict on the 2024 Mercedes-AMG E53? This car strikes a perfect balance between luxury and performance. It's an excellent choice for those who want a high-performing vehicle without compromising on comfort and technology. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone looking for a premium daily driver, the E53 has something to offer. The standout features for me are the impressive engine specs and the state-of-the-art infotainment system, making it a strong contender in its segment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Cartech Explorers for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the 2024 E53 or what cars you'd like to see us review next. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, drive safe and stay curious.